For the pack, you need to soak the kesar in curd or yogurt overnight. I am using homemade yogurt. I soak 2 spoons of curd in 10 kesar leaves or strands. I put it in the fridge to rest, and the next morning when I mix it into the curd, it looks like this. The kesar makes the curd look yellow, which is similar to what the haldi does, but I like the kesar better. I use IKS Kesar, which you can get at www.indiakashmirsaffron.com. Check out how the yogurt and kesar are mixed. This is the IKS saffron that is used here. I think saffron is very good at lightening and evening out our skin. Haldi would do the same thing, but the effect of kesar on me is so clear that my neighbor once asked me why I was so bright and light. Now, with those 2 spoons of yogurt, you need to make it thicker so that it looks like a pack. Use 1 spoon of besan or gram flour to do this. The color will be about the same, and the yellow will stay. This is what the besan should look like after you mix it. It gets thick, and this amount is enough for one use. I don't like making a lot of products that I have to throw away, so I'd rather start over the next day. Put this on and wait 15 minutes or until it's almost dry. I don't like to wait until it's dry and itchy before taking it off. Instead, I take it off when it's still a little bit wet and rub it off in a circle. Voila! Bright even skin tone is what you get. Once you're done, you can soak a new batch of kesar and yogurt, add a few drops of milk if you need to, and let it rest in the fridge. You can even use it every day, since it's very cooling and we need that now that it's summer and I get a tan quickly and get red easily, so yogurt is very soothing for me. Also, it makes skin soft.